Welcome to WINOnline, your channel for educational videos. All of us, especially teachers, we need motivation from time to time, and every one of us needs motivation, self-assurance, time to time in our life. So today's topic is affirmation boards. Affirmation boards are also called vision boards, is a collection of images which you choose to help visualize your goals and dreams. The more you can truly visualize something, the more you will attract those things and the closer you will get to achieving them. So let's look at some examples of affirmation boards and how they can be used. So what is the definition? What are the benefits? Affirmation boards are visual collages featuring positive statements, quotes, images, and goals designed to inspire, motivate, and rewire negative thought patterns into constructive ones. Their importance lies in turning abstract goals into tangible daily reminders, while their benefits include reduced stress, enhanced self-confidence, and increased focus on personal or professional goals. So we need to be reminded again and again, not in our thought, not in our head, but also visually. We need to see and we need to repeat the statements, whatever our goal is, whatever we want to achieve. So what is the importance? They rewire your subconscious mind. So affirmation boards act as a tool to shift mindset. So they change your mindset because they constantly reinforce the positive beliefs and they negate the negative beliefs. So constantly you reinforce the positive things. They are a good way to visualize your goals because by creating a representation of desires, you mentally rehearse their success, which helps the brain to create new neural pathways towards goals. They provide you focus and clarity because it's very easy to lose focus if there is too much on your plate. But when the affirmation boards are in front of you, your focus is drawn to those again and again. They also are a good way to combat self-doubt. If you are in any form of self-doubt, looking at the affirmation board will reduce that. They are accessible because usually they are displayed in a place which is visible to you throughout the day. They boost the self-esteem and confidence because they say positive things about you. They reduce stress and anxiety, improve motivation and productivity. They build emotional resilience. So they assist in navigating life's ups and downs by providing a consistent source of encouragement and a reminder of inner strength. They enhance goal achievement, which we discussed earlier, and they improve self-compassion. They foster a sense of self-love and self-acceptance, encouraging a kinder internal dialogue. So what are the benefits? We just discussed the benefits. Look at some of the examples. For example, for younger children, I'm valued, I'm unique, I'm kind, I'm positive. This is another example. You can use it to display in your classroom as an affirmation station. I can do hard things. I am strong. I deserve to be loved. I'm full of love. The way you speak to yourself matters. So these are all those things that you are telling yourself about yourself. You are reminding yourself. So this is one example. You can display the whole bulletin board as an affirmation station. I'm curious, I'm special, I'm grateful for character strengths. I'm thoughtful, I'm a problem solver. Look at this one. This is a very interesting one and can be used for younger children. This one is for higher grades and adults. I embrace change and trust it leads me to growth. I forget myself for the past. I forgive myself for my past mistakes and move forward with confidence. I am deserving of all the wonderful things life has to offer. So these can be used in higher grades or for adults or in your senior classes. I have given you different examples of affirmation boards. You can create your own. You can add pictures. You can add posters You can do some drawings according to it, but in any form and shape, affirmation boards are a great way to keep you motivated and to help you in achieving your goals. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment.